Ever wanted to create custom jewelry that's totally unique but thought it might be too complicated? Well, grab your favorite drink and get comfy, because today I'm going to show you how to transform plain bracelet settings into the cutest wearable art ever. Trust me, if I can do this, you can do this. Welcome to Happy Place Creations. If you're new here, I'm Connie. If you're returning, welcome back, my crafty friends. Today, I'm absolutely bubbling with excitement to share something a bit different from our usual projects, but completely irresistible. We're diving into the wonderful world of personalized jewelry by creating these stunning, customized bracelets featuring the most adorable little cabochons. Just look at these precious designs. Aren't they simply enchanting? I've had this project pinned to my inspiration board for what feels like forever, and I'm over the moon to finally bring it to life with all of you. What truly captivates me about these delightful bracelet creations is their incredible versatility. You can design them to commemorate special occasions, reflect your personal style aesthetic, or even coordinate them perfectly with your wardrobe favorites. For today's demonstration, I've carefully selected a collection of designs that I'm absolutely head over heels for. There's this intricate snowflake pattern with its delicate details that's absolutely perfect for the winter season, or anyone who loves that magical frosty feeling. Year-round, this meaningful cross embellished with a mesmerizing holographic finish that catches light in the most beautiful way. This breathtaking floral arrangement that practically radiates springtime cheerfulness, and this heart-meltingly cute little bear face that I simply couldn't resist including because it brings an instant smile. Here's the most wonderful secret about these gorgeous accessories. They're dramatically easier to create than they appear at first glance. I give you my absolute promise that even if this is your very first crafting adventure with resin or jewelry making, you can absolutely master this project with beautiful results. We're utilizing these clever pre-made bracelet settings, which completely eliminates all the complicated technical jewelry making steps that might otherwise seem intimidating. So gather up your supplies, find your comfiest crafting spot, and let's embark on this creative journey together. I'm completely confident that you're going to be utterly delighted with how these charming bracelets turn out. And make sure to stay with me until the grand finale, where I'll showcase all 4 completed designs side by side. They truly create the most darling collection that's perfect for wearing yourself or gifting to those special people in your life who appreciate handmade treasures with personality. While I've been chatting away, you've been watching me apply this magical little secret weapon, UV nail gel glue. Isn't it fantastic? I'm carefully dabbing it onto the backs of all 4 cabochons. This stuff is absolutely perfect for this project because it creates an incredibly strong bond and cures so beautifully under UV light. Now you're seeing me move on to the fun part, adding those gorgeous designs. I'm using 4 completely different techniques here to show you just how versatile this project can be. For the cross design, I'm actually getting super creative with nail art stencils, but with a twist. Instead of using the stencil the traditional way, I'm using the inside cutout piece that would normally be discarded. Crafty recycling at its finest. And I'm pairing it with this lovely light green UV background that makes the holographic cross absolutely pop. For our winter-inspired snowflake bracelet, I'm using the actual stencil itself, positioning it just so, and complementing it with a soft blue UV background that gives it that perfect frosty feel. Oh, now for the adorable teddy bear. This little cutie is actually a tiny sticker. So simple but so effective. I'm setting it against a warm light brown UV background that really makes our furry friend stand out. And for this gorgeous floral design, I'm working with specialized floral nail foil that transfers these intricate details perfectly. I'm pairing it with a light green UV background that gives it that fresh garden vibe. My process is pretty straightforward, but requires a bit of patience. First, I apply that UV nail gel glue and give it a quick 30-second cure under my UV lamp. just enough to make it tacky but not fully hardened. Then I carefully position my decoration, whether it's a stencil piece, the stencil itself, a sticker, or nail foil. Next comes the colored UV background that really makes each design pop. Then the exciting part, placing the cabochon into the bracelet setting. I secure it with another quick blast of UV light. Once I've completed all 4 bracelets, they all go under the UV lamp for a full 5-minute cure to ensure everything is permanently bonded and completely durable. And voila! Custom bracelets that look like they came from a boutique but were made right here at my crafting table. And soon at yours too. And here they are, my crafty friends, our finished bracelet collection in all its glory. Aren't they just absolutely stunning? I'm seriously in love with how each one turned out. Look at how that snowflake design catches the light. It has this magical winter wonderland feel that would be perfect year-round, but especially during the holiday season. The blue background really gives it that icy glow that makes the snowflake pattern pop so beautifully. And this cross bracelet with its holographic finish, just wow! The way it shifts colors as it moves is absolutely mesmerizing. That subtle green background was definitely the right choice. It creates this beautiful depth without overwhelming the design. Oh, and this floral bracelet might be my favorite for spring and summer. The delicate flower details against that fresh green background create such a pretty, feminine piece. It would pair perfectly with so many outfits. And how could anyone resist this adorable little bear? That sweet face against the warm brown background just makes me smile every time I look at it. This one would make the most precious gift for anyone who loves cute, whimsical accessories. What I love most about these bracelets is how different they all are while still being part of a cohesive collection. You could wear them to match your mood, your outfit, or even the season. And the colored cords add that perfect finishing touch that ties everything together. I hope this project has inspired you to try making your own custom bracelets. Remember, with just some UV nail gel, a few decorative elements, and pre-made bracelet settings, you can create jewelry that's completely unique to you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more crafty adventures. Drop a comment letting me know which design was your favorite, or what designs you'd love to try. Until next time, happy crafting from my happy place to yours.